Hello, my beautiful and brilliant American literature students. I wanted to just record a quick tutorial about your Plan tab, a very useful tab. And if you're not using it right now, you might be surprised and wish that you had been using it in the past. This is a great way to find out what you might miss if you're going to be gone in the future, or if you were gone in the past. You can see what was going on in each of your courses by using this particular tab. So you'll see I have the English American Literature second semester course up on my screen right now. And if I go to this plan button, click on that, you'll see you can do agenda. So you can see your daily agenda. This one is highlighting the American Literature agenda, but if you click this down arrow, you can go to any of your courses. You can go to a daily plan, a weekly plan that will show the whole week for you at a glance, the monthly plan, look at your whole month at a glance, or today we're just going to be focusing on the list plan. You can see when I clicked list, all events came up. This is all the events that Ms. Carlson has entered since the very first day of the semester. So what you could do is you can just scroll down this way, or you could go to this little calendar on the right here and click on a specific day if you know for sure something was specifically due at a certain time. For example, I know that the outline was due Friday the 3rd at midnight, and that's right here. If I click on that assignment and click more, you can hear Chewy whining in the background. I can go right to that assessment and see where that's showing here. Just going to click on backwards here. Um, Also, I know that Sunday the 12th at midnight is the first draft assignment, and I could go to that. But what I like the list view for specifically is that if let's say I was gone the week before spring break, I can figure out what those dates were, and I can see here what I may have missed during that week. Well, I know I missed some class connects for American literature. Oh, I see I was supposed to do this learning module for making a formal outline. What if I click on that? It should take me right to that learning module. And I can go right through the learning module from here. So you can see it's a pretty useful tool for seeing past information that I've missed, as well as I can see as far out in the future as my teacher has put in dates for. I really like that list view because I can scroll back and see all the way to the beginning of the semester what I might have missed. Let's say I'm looking for a specific PlayPosit like Google search options, or a ClassKick or something like that. I can click right on this particular assignment and it will pull up for me. Mine looks a little bit different than yours, but let's say I wanted to pull up a PlayPosit, Google search options. It's going to look a little different because I have the teacher mode on, but yours should pop up and might look a little different, but you would just go right to that PlayPosit assignment, complete it there, and then maybe let Ms. Carlson know that you completed it and she can get the grade in for you. So hopefully you're going to start using this plan every day. You should be checking on for sure your plan for the day, week, and maybe even month to see what you've got going on. I hope this has been helpful. If you have questions, please send me an email and let me know what those questions are. Have a great day.